Something we're going to get better at here at Carry Trainer is sharing some of the gear with you. We're kind of known for making big, long, full-length training videos, but we've got a lot of gear that we've got a lot of time running. One of our oldest partners in the business is Vedder Holsters. The Vedder family from down in Florida has started the company from nothing, and now they are cranking. You see them all over the country. You see them in the big magazines. You see a lot of people using the product, and there's a couple good reasons for it. One of them is that they're elegant, simply elegant. There's nothing that you don't need, and they work. I think the oldest holster I have from them is at least 5 or 6 years old, and I've used the thing for that length of time. So right now, I just got a few of their inside the waistband, one of their outside the waistband holsters. These are all things that I personally use. Glock 19, this is their LightTuck. So nowadays, you look at a Kydex holster like this, and it's like, yeah, big deal. There's 500 companies that make them. Well, a couple things to keep in mind. Is the tool up to the task of everyday use, day in, day out? Yes. They actually, new guns come out, they're like Johnny on the spot coming up with new molds to make that happen. One of the few holster companies I know of that has CNC equipment to create their molds on the spot rather than have to do it the old-fashioned way. Like I said, everything you need, nothing that you don't is missing. Sturdy metal clip here. This is one that I use often for my 19. Simple adjustments. The one thing I really like about their holsters is there's not a lot of extra play, there's not a lot of extraneous plastic to take up real estate in your pant. If you're a guy that likes the claw, they've got the claw out now. It is their specific product. We'll do a close-up of that. This isn't like any that I've seen before. It does a good job. I just don't like more stuff in my pants than I have to. Very well built. No slop, no extra play, super, super durable. We want to be able to make sure we can get our fingers completely onto the grip. If the gun is buried too deeply against the belt, it becomes too difficult, and if you have to draw the gun and then manipulate after the fact to get the gun into that master grip shooting position, the holster's not right. There's a trade-off of concealability and accessibility. Something else I like about the design of the LightTuck is it's very easy to go from the appendix to 3, 4, 5 o'clock position, depending on how you like to carry. Basic concealed draw stroke with this holster is very simple. See that? And it does a real good job of getting the gun down deep. Getting the gun down deep, but still allowing, check this out, allowing for that master grip. So all of these holsters allow me to get this master grip, that purchase that I need on the gun. And they hold it secure. And this is called the ProDraw. This is not like a duty type rig. This is something that you would use maybe on the farm, maybe range day. And it's just a good quality light outside the waistband holster. There's no retention on here other than friction. It works well. I use this occasionally for class work, and I actually have used this for concealed carry with a garment. I'll grab a shirt here and we'll show you. So as you can see, I've got a full-size Beretta underneath my shirt here, full-size Beretta 92G, tuned up by Wilson Combat. And it is quick to draw from. This isn't something that you're going to take to work if you're an officer, but hey, going to the movies, this goes with me like this all the time. A light jacket, a windbreaker. Vedder LightTuck, Vedder ProDraw. And of course, they've got other items on the website. VedderHolsters.com, Carry Trainer, for a discount code. Check them out. Good stuff. One of the other things you'll appreciate about this company is you go online and order something. If they sell it, it ships usually in a day or two. It's not some 8-week hold time because there's one guy making them in his basement. they literally zip the thing out. I don't think there's a lot of companies out there that do that.